today I'll just show you guys how can we install the best matte privacy glass protector for Redmi 7. So here is the glass protector, you guys can see, and this is matte paper, and they called it the privacy glass protector. So let me show you why they called it. Just you guys can have a look. So now you guys can easily read the matte ceramic frame, everything. And if I turn like this on left or right, you can't see anything. So that's why it's called privacy glass protector. And let me show you the same thing on the left. You guys can't see anything. You can only watch when it is on in front of you. Just only that time you guys can watch it. And just suppose you were sitting and chatting with someone, and you have perhaps two friends beside you, they can't see anything, only you can see everything. So that's why they call it the privacy protector. It just like this. If you turn like this, you can't see anything. Like this, you can't see anything. So this is the matte privacy glass protector. So I'm just going to show you guys how can we install this on. So just let me show you that. So keep it aside like this, and we need just two things, number one and number two, wet and dry. Just first of all we need that one. Just open it and clean your display properly so that no dust can exist. So just do like this. Now you guys can see this is the second one, which we can do like this. Just wipe any dust if you have on your display. Just do like this, and then just put your glass protector perfectly what you can, actually as much as you can. It will take time, so don't worry about that. If you want to do it perfectly, just put it in the middle and then just leave it, and it will take automatically. So this is how you guys can actually install any glass protector to your Redmi 7. So this is how it looks. So let me show you now. Just have a look. If I turn this in left or right, you guys can't see anything. Now you can see. Now you can't see anything. So it works like this. So hope you guys like the video. If you guys really like the video, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon.